Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Arita here again, and I'm serving you this look. Okay, so in this video, I'm serving you that look, the one that just passed by us. And to start off this, I have already done my brows to save some time, and I'll do an eyebrow tutorial very soon. So to prep my face, I'm going to use the Badescu spray on my face and then quickly go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Matte in the shade Espresso. I feel this is like my exact shade and it's really cool, but the only thing I don't like about this is it oxidizes. I should probably get like a lighter foundation shade, the same thing but a lighter one, because this one, even though it's my shade, it still oxidizes on me and I turn a bit dark during the day. By its full coverage, it's really cool. I like it very much. So I'm not gonna give up on it yet. Yeah. So I'm just going to apply this on my face, and then we'll move on to like other business. Let's just say move on. Wow. We'll move on to other business, okay? So I'm just applying it generously to my face just so it can cover my dark spots. Like I said, it's already full coverage, and so that also means that I do not need to color correct, which I hate so much, by the way. I hate color correcting. I just don't know why. It's one of the makeup steps I hate so much, because I feel if you don't do it right, you end up looking so red. So this foundation is just a plus for me because I don't need to color correct. So I'm just applying that with a damp beauty sponge. I got this beauty blender from JLashes. I'll link her Instagram page down below. It's a Ghanaian brand and she's got some nice products, good products that you can purchase. So by the way, it's not sponsored, but I'll still link it down below. I'm just going in with some extra foundation to cover up more of the spots, because my spots are very pigmented. Okay, I have so much hyperpigmentation. I don't know why. You guys should let me know if you know of any skincare products that could really help with hyperpigmentation without changing me into a white lady, okay? Because I don't want that, right? So I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Fawn because I feel it just works better. Considering the foundation I'm using, Fawn works better for me because, like I said earlier, it oxidizes on me, and so at least I need something to balance it out when my face starts turning dark. So I'm just applying that in the areas that need some light or some lightening, if I should put it that way. And we'll go ahead and blend it out with the same beauty sponge from JLashes. And yeah, so I'm just blending that in very well, nice and clean. Okay, so that's fine. I just cleaned my brow and I'm just filling it in again for it to look presentable. Alright, so now that I'm done with my concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my under eye. Now I'm just doing this lightly. I'm not going to bake because baking takes a long time and I end up having flashbacks as well. So I'm not going to bake. I'm just setting it. And what I'm doing with the setting powder is I'm just pressing it into my skin. Okay, like kind of melting it into the skin instead of baking, because this helps better. It sets the concealer better, and yeah, I'm just doing that, and we'll move on to other business. Okay. So I'm using that all over my face as well. I mean the residue on the beauty sponge over my face, just so I can set the rest of my face. I'm not going in with any extra powder to set because I don't want to look, you know, so nasty, right? So I'm just doing that, and I feel like I'm saying and too much now. I should probably stop it. So for my eyeshadow look, I'm using the Jacklyn Hill palette, Morphe X Jacklyn Hill, and I'm going to use the Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn again to prep my eyelids. So with this Jacklyn Hill palette, I feel like I've used this so much. I use this in pretty much all my videos now. That's because the palette is so good. And yeah, it's so good for like an everyday makeup look. You can literally get almost all the shades you want for a normal everyday look in it. So I like it so much. And I'm just doing my base for the eyeshadow. So I lost the names of the eyeshadows I'm going to use, but you can just look on it. I'm alternating between the lighter shade and a darker brown for my eyeshadow look, and I'm just going to use the lighter one for my transition, which I am applying right now. Obviously you can see, I don't need to say that, yeah, but I'm applying it all over for a nice transition. And I'm going to go ahead and use the darker one for my inner corner. Yeah, that's the word, the inner corner. So I'm just using that in my inner corner as well, and we'll move on to other business. Okay, honestly I hate voiceovers, like it's so weird, awkward. I just hate it. Okay. I'm not doing well with this at all, but I know you guys can bear with me. So I'm going to use a golden, definitely golden. This is more of a goldish eyeshadow. It's a shimmer color. So I'm spraying the brush. I spray the brush first just so I can get a good application of the eyeshadow look. So I'm just applying that on my lid and kind of creating a crease, even though I did not cut my crease with the concealer first, because I trust the eyeshadow is so pigmented and so shimmery that you don't need to cut your crease sometimes to use it. So that's just what I'm doing, and it's already illuminated. I love that. So I'm just applying it all over my eyelids and cutting the crease as well with it. I'm using a flat brush, by the way. So I'm just going to link everything in the description. Okay, I feel like I've said this already. Yeah, I'll link everything in the description where to get all these products from Ghana here, so that you guys can get it if you want to. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use a darker shade for my outer corner. I alternated between the black and a brown shade so I can create a very nice dark outer corner look. So I'm going to do one eye and I'll come back with the other eye. Okay. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now everything is all set in place. I line my eye, put on some lashes, and so for the eyeliner, I use the Natural Plus liquid eyeliner. I'll link it down below where I got it from. It's a very cool eyeliner. It's very dark. I like it very much. And I'm also wearing the JLashes, which I mentioned earlier. These lashes, I don't know, like I got it for cheap, seriously, because it comes in a pack of 5 and it's just 18 Ghana cedis, which is so cool. I'll link her description. Whoa, I'll link I'll link her Instagram account in the description. Okay, So I'm wearing Abba, the JLash in Abba. Yes, it is Abba that I'm wearing. Okay, I just like it when Ghanaian brands like come out with very good products. It's really cool. So to finish off my face, I'm using the Zikel palette. This is the very small Zikel palette. Zikel is a Nigerian brand, by the way. They do have lots of products here in Ghana as well. I'm using the small Zikel palette. I'm alternating between the contour and the highlight shade for my under eye, because obviously the highlight shade is too bright for me, so I'm just mixing it up with the contour shade, and I'm doing that all over my face, the places that I use the transition. Whoa, is it transition, translucent? Oh my god, why am I messing up so much like this? You guys understand what I mean, right? Yeah, the places that I used the setting powder, so I'm just using it there to even out everything, or else I'll start getting flashbacks. I'll start looking like I was thrown out of Disney World with pixie dust all over my face, and no one wants to see that. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm using the darker shade, which is the contour shade. This contour shade has got a bit of reddish look, so it kind of serves as a blush as well for me, and I'm just using that to bronze my face. So I feel I don't even need, what don't I need? Oh my god, I feel I don't even need blush because of the contour shade. Okay, so I'm just using that at the places that need to be contoured. I'm such a mess. Oh my god, this thing is not going on well for me. Why am I talking so much? See, if you've been able to make it this far, okay, in this video, clap for yourself. Congrats, you've done so well, listening to my boring voice and everything else, just watching my boring. So do everything that I need to do here. Okay, so I'm using the same highlight shade for my highlighter. Yeah, this highlighter is very cool. Okay, like it's so smooth, and I feel you can layer it up so many times to get the good shade that you need. It's so smooth. Okay, it's the highlight shade in the Zikel palette as well. So I'm just highlighting the parts that need to be highlighted, and I'll move on to other business. Okay, yeah. So for my lip, I'm lining it with the Daavi's Wood lip liner, just so I can have something nice to put my lip gloss on. Okay, so when I finish that, I'm just going to clean up the excess foundation I have on my lip before I go in with the lip gloss. So I'm using the beauty sponge to clean that up because I already foundation got on my lips here. I'm just cleaning it up, and then I'll go with the lip gloss. So for the lip gloss, it's just unfortunate that I cannot link it in the description. I don't know the name. All I know is that I needed lip gloss, and I went to a lady opposite my house to buy lip gloss, and it turned out well. Okay, it's just so good. Like, I feel no brand is the best brand, trust me. Like, the no brand products, most of the time they're the best brands you can ever get. Okay, so I'm just using that lip gloss. Look at how glowy it is. I feel you can actually fry eggs on my lips right now. Oh my gosh, my lips are so glowy right now. Okay, so I'm going in with a blue eyeshadow from the same Jacklyn palette for my under eye because it looked so naked all this while. I am just going to do that because I want to look good. You know what I mean? Oh my god, I'm so disrespectful. I should stop fooling in this video. Yeah, so I'm just doing all that. My under eye needs some saving, yeah, and blue is just the perfect color for this look. Blue is just the perfect. Comment down below if you think the blue I use for my under eye is just perfect. Okay, so just setting it all up with the same Badescu setting spray, and everything is fine. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. If you like this video, just do the necessary things, okay, because that goes a long way to help my channel as well. Alright, see you in the next video.